Next. Okay. Is okay now? Next. Problem number 13. Problem number 13. Law of mass action cannot be applicable to. Good question, yeah. My dear students, listen carefully. Law of mass action can applicable only chemical equilibrium. Only chemical equilibrium. If you see these examples, decomposition of gases HI. 2HI gas in equilibrium with H2 gas plus I2 gas. Okay. Next, decomposition of PCl5. PCl5 gas in equilibrium with PCl3 gas plus Cl2 gas. Chemical equilibrium. Equilibrium between chemical component. Rhombic sulfur to monoclinic sulfur. Sulfur rhombic in equilibrium with sulfur monoclinic. Decomposition of calcium carbonate. CaCO3 heat किया तो CaO plus CO. Dear students, if you see, this is the chemical equilibrium, this is the chemical equilibrium, this is the chemical equilibrium, but this is the physical equilibrium. What is the physical equilibrium? The equilibrium existed between any two different physical states of same component. These are the allotropes. Rhombic, monoclinic, its physical states are different, but same component, sulfur and sulfur. That's why physical equilibrium. Any doubt? So law of mass action not applicable to physical equilibrium. Then what is the answer?
Third.
Third option. Third option. Good. Next. Problem number 14. Problem number 14. For a given set of experimental conditions with increase in the concentration of the reactant, the rate of chemical reaction. With increase in the concentration of reactant, rate is directly proportional to concentration of reactant. Concentration of reactants. Concentration of reactants. Why? Concentration is nothing but number of moles upon volume. This is the vessel here, vessel volume constant, number of moles. In any chemical reaction, whenever the reactant molecule involved in the formation of the product, reactant molecule must be a product. But while involved in the product, while giving the product, these reactant molecule must be involved in collisions. But all collisions do not give formation of the product. Which collisions will give formation of the product? These collisions are effective collisions. My point understood, my dear students? Whenever the reactant molecules involved in the formation of the product, reactant molecule must be involved in collisions. But all collisions do not give formation of the product. Which collisions will give formation of the product? Those collisions are effective collisions. First, only 5 molecules. 5 molecules का effective collisions only 2 only. If you take 20 molecules, definitely effective collisions increases. Number of collisions increases, then definitely effective collisions increases, the rate increases. Understood, my dear students? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Next. So, rate is directly proportional to concentration of reactants. Next question. The following are some statements about active mass. Active mass is nothing but concentration, my dear students. Concentration equal to number of moles upon volume. Problem number 15. Active mass of pure liquid and solids are taken as unity. Correct enough? Active mass of pure liquid and solids, pure liquids and solids are taken as unity. Active mass of electrolyte is taken as molality. Wrong. For dilute solutions of non-electrolyte, the active mass can be taken as molarity. That is correct. Dear students, sir, active mass is nothing but concentration, sir. Please listen, my dear students. Active mass is nothing but concentration, sir. So concentration is nothing but number of moles upon volume. So concentration is always applicable for the solutions, aqueous solutions, not for gas, aqueous solutions. Okay. So solids we cannot take. At the same time, first option, देखो, active mass of pure liquid they are given. Pure liquid concentration we cannot find out. Pure liquid concentration we cannot find out. Otherwise, this one also you wrong. Eh? So that's why active mass of pure liquids and solids are taken as unity. You know very well. Solids है तो directly unity रे. Directly unity. But either pure liquid also unity. Pure water means its concentration 100%. We can't tell. Next, that's why A and C is the answer. A and C. And one more thing. For dilute solution of non-electrolyte, active mass can be taken as molarity, not molality. Molarity. Molarity is nothing but number of moles upon volume. Then answer is both A and C. Understood? Both A and C. Third option. Next. Madam, C is not exactly you are asking. For dilute solution of non-electrolyte, the active mass can be taken as molarity. Dilute solutions. Dilute solution means sugar in water. Like that. Acetic acid in water. That is the dilute solution. That time you can take as molarity. We cannot take molality. Molarity. Capital M. Rachi madam, okay? Active mass is nothing but concentration. Concentration is nothing but number of moles of molecule. Right. No problem. Like that, ask me. That's why I am telling you. Theory पढ़ाई करो 3 दिन में क्या पढ़ाई किया आप? Dear students, problem number 16. For a reversible reaction, if the concentration of the reactants are doubled, then the equilibrium constant value. Excellent question, yeah. Excellent question. Abhi I will ask the question. आप पढ़ाई किया नहीं पढ़ाई किया पता चलता. अरे equilibrium constant independent on concentration, pressure, density, color. Equilibrium constant depend only on temperature. Only on temperature, mode of equation, stoichiometric coefficient. Then what is the answer? What is the answer? Azam, what is the answer?
Remains same.
Remains same. Good.
Remains same.
Remains same. समझ में आया ना? देखो clearly given the direct theoretical question. For a reversible reaction, if the concentration of the reactant are doubled, then the equilibrium constant value, equilibrium constant independent on concentration of reactants, products, pressure, density, color, volume of the vessel. Okay, equilibrium constant depend only on temperature, mode of equation, stoichiometric coefficient. समझ में आया ना? So then remains the same. Next. Problem number 17. For reaction involving gaseous reactants and products, the equilibrium constant Kp is written in terms of Kp. What is Kp? What is Kp? Kc what? Kp what? Kc means equilibrium constant with respect to concentration. Concentration we should take as active mass, molarity. Kp means equilibrium constant with respect to
Partial
pressures.
pressure.
Partial pressure of what? Gases.
Gases.
Partial pressure of gases. Then answer is third one. Partial pressure of the gases. समझ में आया, my dear students?
Yes, sir.
Please, everyone should participate in this discussion. देखो आप पूरा
Yes.
देखो, otherwise क्या है, you feel bored. Material देखो, solve करो, थोड़ा concentrate करो. श्रद्धा, understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Vaishnavi, understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question. क्या दिया? एक मिनट. In the case of gaseous homogeneous reaction, the active mass of the reactant is obtained by the expression. Active mass. Active mass is nothing but concentration only. Active mass is nothing but concentration. Yes, PV equal to nRT, my dear students. P by RT equal to N by V. P by RT equal to N by V. N by V is nothing but active mass C. Then what is the answer? What is the answer?
Option.
Second one.
Second one, right.
P by RT.
Yes, correct. Next. Problem number 19. Problem number 19. The molar concentration of 64 gram of SO2 in 4 liter flask. The molar concentration. Molar concentration is nothing but concentration. Concentration C equal to N by V. N is nothing but weight by gram molecular weight. Weight by gram molecular weight. But here which gas is there? SO2 gas. SO2 weight कितना दिया? SO2 gas. Weight equal to how much given weight? 64 grams. अरे gram molecular weight of SO2. SO2 gram molecular weight कितना है? Sulfur 32, oxygen 16 means gram molecular weight of SO2. 1 into sulfur plus 2 into oxygen. 1 into 32 plus 2 into 16. 32 plus 32. 64. Gram molecular weight of SO2 also 64. समझ में आया ना? Then concentration equal to N by V है ना? So number of moles क्या है? Weight by gram molecular weight. Weight 64, gram molecular weight 64, 1. Number of moles are 1. Volume how much? Volume equal to 4 liter, no? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25 mole by liter. 0.25 mole by liter. Dear students, understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Active mass is nothing but molarity bus. Next, 20. Problem number 20. The equilibrium constant of a reaction is which has only numerical value and carries no units. With or without units depending upon the stoichiometric coefficient of the species involved in a chemical equation. Correct है ना? For example,
Yes, sir.
मैं बताता हूँ, देखो Kp Kc is there. For example, Kc equilibrium constant है ना? What is the Kc? Tell me. Kc means equilibrium constant with respect to concentration. What is the unit? Mole by liter, whole power of delta n. अरे delta n मतलब क्या है? What is delta n?
NP minus NR.
Yes, Np minus Nr. Np means number of moles of gaseous product. Nr means number of moles of gaseous reactant. So depends on stoichiometric coefficient in the reaction. For example, if delta n equal to 0, no units, because of Kc equal to mole by liter, whole power of 0. Anything power of 0 is the one. समझ में आया, my dear students? Then what is the answer? What is the answer? The equilibrium constant of a reaction is with or without units, depending upon the stoichiometric coefficient of the species involved in a chemical equation. For example, if delta n equal to 0, no units. If delta n may be 2 or 3, definitely you will get some unit. Understood? Kaveri, understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next, good question. This one, 22 or 21. With increase in temperature, the value of equilibrium constant. Good question. I will explain this concept. Temperature increases, K increases in endothermic. In endothermic reaction. समझ में आया? Temperature increases, K decreases in exothermic. In exothermic reaction. Dear students, understood? So then which is the correct answer, my dear students? With increase in temperature, the value of equilibrium constant.
May increase or decrease.
Yes, may increase or decrease. That is depends upon whether it is endothermic reaction or exothermic. If endothermic है तो increases, exothermic है तो decreases. समझ में आया ना? Next. Please, my dear students, don't sleep because these all are concept based questions. अब थोड़ा brain use करो. पूरा theory discuss किया तो आराम से सुनते आप. Solving of questions also important. Okay. Good. Question number 22. If different quantities of ethyl alcohol and acetic acid are used in the reversible reaction, then the equilibrium constant at a constant temperature will have the value. Again, same question here. They are given one equation. You know this equation. What is this equation? Anyone tell me? CH3COOH plus C2H5OH equilibrium with CH3COO C2H5 plus H2. Organic में this equation आते हैं. What is this named reaction? Esterification. Carboxylic acid with alcohol to give ester and water है ना? समझ में आया ना? Okay. Esterification. Then the equilibrium constant at a constant temperature will be different quantities of ethyl alcohol and acetic acid are used. Okay na? Arey concentrate different quantities means different concentrations. Arey equilibrium constant depend on temperature, mode of equation, stoichiometric modes. Independent on, does not depend on concentration of reactant and concentration of product. Pressure, density, color, volume. Okay. Then what is the answer? What is the answer?
Option A.
Option A.
Same in all cases. Yes, option A. Problem number 23. The value of Kc for the reaction depends on. Again, same question here. Kc means Kc or Kp. K, equilibrium constant. Equilibrium constant depend on
Temperature.
Correct. Temperature. Next. देखो 24 देखो 24 देखो 24, tell me. The following statement is incorrect about chemical equilibrium. About chemical equilibrium is incorrect. There is no change in the concentration of reactant and product with time. Equilibrium can be attained by starting with either reactant or product. That is also correct. Equilibrium is dynamic. Position of equilibrium cannot be disturbed by the changing the concentration of reactant and product. First statement correct, there is no change in the concentration of reactant and product with time. Yes. Equilibrium can be attained by starting with either side of the reactant or product. Yes, equilibrium can applicable either direction, either forward or backward. Equilibrium is dynamic, correct. Position of equilibrium cannot be disturbed by the change in the concentration of reactant and product. This is wrong, Position of equilibrium cannot be changed. No. While changing the concentration, for example, concentration of reactant increases, position of equilibrium favors in which direction? Product side. Product side concentration increase हो गया तो position of equilibrium favors reactant side, backward direction. So that's why this statement is incorrect. Fourth one, देखो. Dear students, understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Le Chatelet principle application this one. अरे reactant concentration increase किया तो either increasing the concentration of reactant or decreasing the concentration of product, then position of equilibrium favors in forward direction. Yesterday discuss किया ना? Right, करने वाले that's why. Right. 25 tell me. So 24 is answer. Fourth one. 25 tell me. When a catalyst is introduced into a reversible reaction. अरे आपको पता है? Tell me.
Option 4.
Option 4.
Option 4.
Daniel, okay?
Yes, sir.
In presence of catalyst, when a catalyst is introduced into a reversible reaction, attainment of equilibrium quickly. Attainment of equilibrium quickly. Question number 26. For a system in equilibrium, delta G is 0 under conditions of constant. I will explain this one. Delta G means Gibbs free energy. My dear students, listen carefully. Gibbs free energy. Sir, what is Gibbs free energy? The maximum available energy of the system at a constant temperature and pressure. Clearly, they are given. For a system in equilibrium, delta G 0 under conditions of constant. Which is constant? Constant temperature and
Pressure.
constant temperature and pressure. At equilibrium, change in Gibbs free energy 0 at constant temperature and pressure.
First, temperature and pressure.
First one, correct. First one. 27. The unit of equilibrium constant in general.
Option 3. Mole.
Third.
Third one, correct. Mole by liter, volt power of delta N, Kc units, mole by liter, volt power of delta N. Kp units, mole by liter, volt power of delta P. Any doubt? Next. 28. According to want of equation, K varies with temperature. This one you know very well. Which is the answer?
Option 4.
4. Yes. Log base 10 K2 by K1 equal to delta H by 2.303 or 1 by T2 minus 1 by T1 or log base 10 K2 by K1 equal to minus delta H by 2.303 or otherwise delta H by 2.303 or 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Any equation is correct. Then which is the answer?
Answer is
Fourth
4.
option.
Fourth option, right. Next. Problem number 29. Problem number 29. A vessel A contains 1 mole each of N2 and O2 and another vessel B contains 2 mole of each N2 and O2. Both vessels are heated to same temperature till equilibrium is established in both cases. Then the correct statement. Question समझ में आया आपको? Anybody can explain? A vessel A contains 1 mole of N2 and O2. One vessel is there. One vessel. This is the another vessel. Either 1 mole N2 and 1 mole O2. Vessel A, this one. This is the vessel B. B contains 2 mole N2, 2 mole O2. 2 mole N2, 2 mole O2. Moles change हो गया तो concentration change हो जाते. Okay. But next question क्या है? Both vessels are heated. Both vessels are heated to same temperature. Till equilibrium is established in both cases. Then the correct statement. Tell me anyone. Anyone tell me. Please use your brain. Use karo. Knowledge use karo. No problem, right? Just discussing. We are discussing.
A and B are equal.
Yes, absolutely correct. A and B are equal. Why, madam? What is the reason? इधर दिया ना Kc given. Kc means what? Equilibrium constant with respect to concentration. Kp means equilibrium constant with respect to partial pressure. समझ में आया ना? So Kc or Kp means equilibrium constant. अरे equilibrium constant depend on temperature या does not depends on concentration of reactant and product. इधर number of moles changed. देखो in the A container 1 mole N2, 1 mole. In B container 2 mole nitrogen, 2 mole oxygen. Number of moles changed means volume concentration change. अरे concentration में dependent नहीं होते ना कैसे? Understood, my dear students? Either Kc or Kp depend only on temperature, but either clearly they are given what is given in physical chemistry problem. दो बार पढ़ाई करने वाले, then only you will get clarity. हम क्या करते हैं? ऊपर देख के आप हो गया लेविटी अरे ऑप्शन ए बी वैसे आप सोचते हैं. No, you have to focus on question. Question देखो कितना बड़ा दिया. A vessel A contain 1 mole each of N2 and O2 and another vessel B contain 2 mole each of N2 and O2. Both vessels are heated to same temperature till equilibrium is established in both cases. That's the correct statement. Clearly they are given same temperature. Same temperature means same rate constant. In both cases same rate constant 1:1. रोहित समझ में आया? Rohit?
Yes, sir.
Good. Tejas? Right. No problem, dear student. आपको doubt है तो पूछो. Okay. Doubt है? Any doubt?
No.
No doubt. Good. Next. Question number 30. In the reaction, in the reaction, question number 30, in the reaction, NH4HS solid, NH3 gas plus H2S gas. On doubling the concentration of ammonia, the equilibrium concentration of H2 gas. Okay, excellent question. I will explain. Please, my dear students, in the reaction, what is the reaction? NH4HS solid in equilibrium with NH3 gas plus H2S gas. NH3 gas plus H2S gas. NH4HS solid in equilibrium with NH3 gas plus H2S gas. Okay? Dekho idhar, my dear students. In the reaction, this one, H2S is doubling the concentration of ammonia. H2S is doubling. Sorry. H2S is okay. On doubling the concentration of ammonia, the equilibrium concentration of H2S. Ammonia double कर रहे H2S क्या हो जाते हैं? Sir, how we know? First equilibrium constant लिखो. अरे equilibrium constant either Kc or Kp लिखो. Kc लिखे तो क्या हो जाते हैं? Kc, tell me what is the Kc expressed here? Kc equal to NH3 power of 1 H2S power of 1 upon NH4HS power of 1. But solid should be taken as unity. Then Kc equal to NH3 power of 1 H2S power of 1. Kc equal to NH3 power of 1 H2S power of 1. समझ में आया ना? Solid unity है ना? Solid unity. The most important point, my dear students, equilibrium constant either Kc or Kp depend only on temperature, but concentration does not depend हो जाती है. कैसे मैं बताता हूँ. इधर क्या है? Why does not depend on concentration of either reactant or product? Either on doubling the concentration of what is given? On doubling the concentration of ammonia. अरे ammonia double किया तो this one double किया तो H2S should be off होना चाहिए because of Kc should be constant होना चाहिए. My dear students, understood? Understood? This is the equation. NH4HS solid in equilibrium with NH3 gas plus H2S gas. Kc expression. This is the product solid unity. So you need not want this one. Then NH3 power of 1 H2S power of 1. But problem में क्या दिया? NH3 डबल किया तो H2S क्या होना चाहिए? ऑफ होना चाहिए because Kc कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए. कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए तो this one डबल हो गया तो this one should be ऑफ होना चाहिए. समझ में आया my dear students?
Yes, sir.
For example, this one ट्रिपल हो गया तो H2S कितना होना चाहिए? 1/3 होना चाहिए. Ammonia 3 times है तो H2S should be 1/3 times. Understood? Tejas, okay now? Right.
Sir,
Tejas.
sir, in question number 29,
Question number 29. एक मिनट. Question number 29. Tejas बताओ.
sir, option 2 भी थोड़ा बहुत मैच हो सकता है ना?
Option 2 no. क्योंकि same temperature they are given ना.
Sir, but वहाँ पे मतलब सब में Kc नहीं है, Kp है वहाँ पे.
हाँ, either Kc or Kp. Yes, sir. Sir, Tejas is asking, sir, they are given Kp है ना. Kp मतलब क्या है? Equilibrium constant with respect to partial pressure. Kc मतलब क्या है? Equilibrium constant with respect to concentration. Either Kc or Kp, both are equilibrium constants. Equilibrium constant depend only on temperature. Does not depends on concentration, pressure, density, color, volume of the vessel. Tejas, okay now?
Okay, sir.
No problem. वैसे पूछो रे तेजस. Spontaneously वैसे पूछो. He is asking related question. Sir, 29th में Kp दिया. You are explaining like this. इधर Kc है ना? Yes, correct है. He is asking. Definitely doubt आते ना. आप at a time पूछो वैसे. मनोज, okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. any student also. Next question 30 हो गया ना, right? Then this volume क्या होना चाहिए? 1/2. Initial value reduce it to half of its initial value. 30 का आंसर क्या है? First one. 31. Lee Chatelet principal concept, dear students. 31. In which of the equilibria the position of equilibrium shifts towards product if the total pressure is increased? Good question. Yeah. Good question. Pressure increase होना चाहिए. Then volume what happened? Pressure increases means volume should be
Decreased.
volume decreases means number of moles should be
Decreased.
then check करो in which reaction number of moles decrease हो गया. Check करो which reaction.
First.
In which of the equilibria position of the equilibrium shifts towards product if the total pressure is increased? Total pressure increase हो गया. Pressure increases means volume decreases. Volume decreases means एक मिनट. In which of the equilibria the position of the equilibrium shifts towards to the product if the total pressure is increased? Pressure increases. Pressure increases, volume decreases, number of moles decreases. Number of moles decreases in which equation? First equation. समझ में आया my dear students? First equation में 4 moles to 2 moles है ना? Any doubt? Understood? Prachi, understood? Yes. Okay, madam. Kaveri madam, देखो madam. The first equation देखो. N2 gas plus 3H2 gas in equilibrium with 2NH3 gas. अरे इधर 1 mole, इधर 3 mole, 4 moles यार, इधर 2 moles. Number of moles decreases. Number of moles decreases, then volume decreases, then pressure should be increased. Forward direction. Any doubt? Okay, right. Next question. The degree of dissociation of PCl5. The degree of dissociation of PCl5. I will explain that. Dear students, listen carefully. Sir, PCl5 decomposition क्या है? Decomposition means PCl5 gas heat किया तो PCl3 gas plus Cl2. Theoretical concept is this one. Dissociation. If you want to dissociate PCl5, required some temperature. Temperature increase किया तो dissociation of PCl5 increases. But problem में क्या पूछ रहे हैं? The decrease in the dissociation of PCl5. The degree of dissociation of PCl5 increase with increasing of pressure. They are asking. एक मिनट. कैसे pressure देख? इधर 1 mole, इधर 2 mole. Number of moles increases. Number of moles increases. Volume increases. Pressure decreases. Pressure decreases. So the degree of dissociation of PCl5 favors first one, right or wrong? Increase with increasing of pressure. Wrong है ना? Pressure decrease किया तो dissociation increase हो जाते हैं. Then which is the correct answer, my dear students? Please use the brain. थोड़ा सोचो. My point understood. This is the PCl5 gas, PCl3 gas, Cl2 gas. This is the forward direction. They are asking dissociation. They are asking forward reaction. Forward reaction का favorable condition क्या है? Either 1 mole, either 1 plus 1, 2 mole. Number of moles increases, volume increases, pressure decreases. And which is the correct answer?
Second one.
Second one, good. Decrease with increasing of pressure. Absolutely correct. Second one. Okay, now. Next. Today last question, my dear students. 33. Question number 33. An increase in pressure would favor the forward reaction then. They are asking increasing of pressure in which reaction favors. First option देखो. N2 plus O2 in equilibrium with 2NO. This is the gas, this is the gas, this is the gas. My dear students, please concentrate. The first option, number of moles with respect to reactant, 1 mole, gas is mole, 2 mole. Either 2 mole. Number of moles are changed or not?
No.
No. Number of moles does not change. Number of moles does not change means volume does not change. Volume constant, the pressure also constant in the vessel. So is it pressure is affected or unaffected in the first equation?
Unaffected.
Unaffected. समझ में आया ना? Number of moles same. So the number of moles same means volume same. Volume same means pressure is unaffected. Second option देखो. 2SO2 gas plus O2 gas in equilibrium with 2SO3 gas. Reactant said how many moles? 3 moles. Product said how many moles? 2 moles. Dear students, number of moles what happened?
Decrease.
Number of moles decreases. Volume decreases. Pressure increases. Question देखो. Clearly they are given. An increase in pressure would favor the forward reaction. Then, yes, second option, increase in pressure. If you see second option, forward direction, 2 plus 1, 3 moles, either 2 moles. 3 to 2, number of moles decreases, volume decreases, pressure increases. And your answer is? Which is your answer? Second.
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 Second one, yes. समझ में आया ना?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir,
ask
can
madam.
you repeat the MCQ number 32 again?
32, madam, right. PCl5 heating, PCl3 plus Cl2 gas. That is the question given. देखो madam. The degree of dissociation of PCl5. This is the degree of dissociation of PCl5. अरे madam, here how many gases mole? 1 mole. Here how many gases mole? 2 mole. अरे number of moles what happened? Increases. Number of moles increases. Volume increases. Pressure decreases. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
इधर क्या है? Low pressure favors the increasing of the dissociation. If you want more dissociation, low pressure. If you want less dissociation, high pressure. Then option which one? Second option, decrease with increasing of pressure.
Yes, sir. Okay.
समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
Right. Please solve the remaining questions. Hello, sir.
हाँ
Hello,
सर
sir.
सर प्लीज टेल मी
हाँ हो गया सर, मेरा क्लास हो गया. Dear students, up to question number 33 completed. Remaining questions we will continue later. Remaining theory part also I will continue in my next class. Sir will talk with you. Sir, matter and sir.
सर प्लीज you switch off that recording sir.
1 minute, sir.